Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial, we had learned about multiple modules in Redux with React application. That was a cake shop having a cake and ice cream upfront to sold out. Let's say in today's tutorial, we have to identify the logs of Redux store in each operation we will be performed. I know we had learned that before as well. Let's revisit the concept with React. Before that, before in previous few videos, we had learned about Logger as a middleware with vanilla JavaScript. In today's tutorial, we will be learning the similar concept in React with React Redux. Let's move forward. Try to open up the terminal and move the application down, and we will say sudo npm I redux dash or hyphen logger. First of all, let's install Redux Logger, and we have to make our application up and running again. Let's try to close our terminal. We don't need terminal anymore, but we need our console to see the logs of our application. How you can apply the logs? As I told you earlier, there is a function or a method available in Redux library named as apply middleware that will be passed as a second parameter to your create store method. This will help you to pass any kind of middleware you want to pass to your store. That will be logger, that will be any XYZ, any subscribe method or anything. It's up to you. So let's say I want my logger library that I had installed. So let's say logger from Redux Logger. So I want this logger to be passed as a middleware to my store and show me the logs in each step whenever there is any action performed from the store. So let's hit save and let's go back to browser and see if it works fine or no. Let's say if I buy cake, and you guys can see the action is buy cake. This is the IP address for my PC currently. This is local IP address, you can say. Previous state, this will be the previous state. Action is buy a cake and the new state is 19. It was 20. And the ice cream is there as it is 50, and here it's working as 50. Let's try to buy an ice cream from hooks. Similarly, buy ice cream method appear. Previous state was cake 19, ice cream 20. The method was ice cream, and the new state is ice cream 49 as well, and cakes are 19. So this is how you can pass logger as a middleware to your Redux store. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I hope you guys understand it. Still, if you have any query or any question, or you want to apply any other middleware to your Redux store, any custom created function or callback, I'll leave it to you. You can go on and do experiments. In case of any question, any query, you can ping me. You can message me, or you can reach to my email box as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.